So I have this house trap 4-inch cast iron which has been leaking from the bottom right here. So I started cutting with the 4-inch 9-inch carbide sawzall. It's pretty good. So I'm going to cut here, which is a vent, and here, and then I'm going to knock this hub out. Then I bought this 4-inch cast iron house trap and install it. The house trap is cut. I just need to cut the hub attached to it right here, and then I can someone needs to turn off the water. Okay, so this is how it looks like after everything is installed. I didn't have a second person to record me, so I had to do it. You definitely need something, some support, because this thing is almost like 20 pound, so you definitely need some support to elevate it while you connect all this. So in this side I put a 4-inch coupling, as you can see, and on this side I put a 4-inch PVC, and then compression coupling here, and then regular 4-inch coupling. And on this side, this is 3-inch. On top, it's the vent connected by cement and primer, and compression coupling 3-inch. So that's it. No leak. So far, so good. This is the cut pipe. Look at that hole at the bottom. Big hole.